Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy. In this lecture, let us understand noise margin in VLSI design. Noise margin is a crucial topic in digital electronics, especially when designing the circuits in VLSI. The noise margin helps us to determine the allowable noise voltage on the input of a gate such that the output is not corrupted. So noise margin help us to determine the allowable noise voltage on the input of the gate such that the output is not corrupted. So we can say it is a buffer that ensures the logic levels high and low remains distinguishable despite small voltage fluctuations or noise. So we can say the noise margin is a buffer that ensures logic level both high and low remains distinguishable despite small voltage fluctuations or noise. Now let us understand the noise margin. This figure shows the output characteristics on the left side and input characteristics on the right side. Both are plotted against the voltage that is ranging from ground to VDD. So here, if you can observe, in the input characteristics, this is the logic high range, and at the output characteristics, this is the logic high range. So the difference between the logic high range at the input and the logic high range in the output is known as noise margin for the logic high, which is represented by NMH. So you can observe this is the range of the logic high at the input and the range of the logic high at the output. If we take the difference between these two logics, so we'll obtain a noise margin, which is the noise margin for logic high. Similar to this, we are having this logic low input range and logic low output range. So for this logic low input range and output range, if we take the difference, we'll get the noise margin for logic low. So here the output range is divided into logic high output range that starts from VOH up to VDD. As you can see, it will start from VOH and up to VDD. So VOH is the minimum high output and VDD is the supply voltage. So we have logic low output range that starts from VOL and end at ground. The input range is divided into logic high input range that starts at VIH, which is minimum high input voltage up to VDD. And we are having logic low input range that starts at NML up to ground. Here NML is the minimum low input voltage. So this logic low input range starts at VIL and end at ground. So it will start at minimum low input voltage up to ground. So between VIL and VIH, there is a region which is known as indeterminate region, where the input voltage is neither high or low. So indeterminate region is the region where the input is neither high nor low. Now let us define different noise margin. The first noise margin is low noise margin, which is represented by NML. The low noise margin is the difference between the maximum low input voltage that the receiving gate can tolerate and the maximum low voltage produced by the driving gate. As you can observe from this diagram, it is the difference between VIL and VOL. This equation tells us how much noise can be added to low output before it is misunderstood as high input. We have high noise margin, which is represented as NMH. The high noise margin is the difference between the minimum high input voltage of the driving gate and the minimum high input voltage. The high noise margin is the difference between the minimum high output voltage of a driving gate and the minimum high input voltage recognized by the receiving gate. So mathematically, we can write this as NMH is equal to VOL minus VIH. So this equation tells us how much noise can be added to high output before it is misunderstood as low voltage or low input. Now let us understand some key voltage definitions. Now let us clarify some terms. The first term is VIH, which is minimum high input voltage. The minimum high input voltage is the lowest voltage a gate will still recognize as logic high. Next is VIL, which is maximum low input voltage. The maximum low input voltage is the highest voltage a gate will recognize as logic low. Next is VOH, which is minimum high output voltage. The minimum high output voltage is the lowest voltage a gate guarantees as a logic high output. VOL, which is maximum low output voltage. The maximum low output voltage is the highest voltage a gate can guarantee as a logic low output. Now let us understand the noise margin for ideal inverter. For an ideal inverter, the voltage are perfectly defined. Since it is an ideal inverter, the voltages are perfectly defined, which means VOH will be equal to VDD. The supply voltage will be equal to the highest possible high output. VOL will be equal to ground. The ground will be equal to the lowest possible low output. VIH will be equal to VDD by 2, which means the midpoint where the input switches from low to high is VDD by 2, and VIL will also be equal to VDD by 2, which means the midpoint where the input switches from high to low is also VDD by 2. Now let us substitute these equations into the noise margin equations. We know NML is equal to VIL minus VOL. So here VIL is VDD by 2 and VOL is equal to ground which is equal to 0. So therefore VDD by 2 minus 0, it will be VDD by 2. So NML will be equal to VDD by 2. Similarly, NMH will be equal to VOH minus VIH. So VOH is nothing but VDD minus VIH is VDD by 2. So VDD minus VDD by 2, it is VDD by 2. So NMH will be also equal to VDD by 2. So for an ideal inverter, both NML and NMH will be equal to VDD by 2. So this symmetry shows that an ideal inverter has equal tolerance for noise both in high and low levels, which will make this ideal inverter more reliable. In real circuits, due to manufacturing variations and temperature and other factors, VOH will be slightly less than VDD and VOL will be slightly above the ground. Similarly, VIH and VIL might not exactly at the midpoint. This is why the noise margin analysis is very important. So the noise margin analysis will ensure the circuit works reliably under non-ideal conditions. So here you need to remember the noise margin ensures that small disturbances like electromagnetic interference or crosstalk doesn't affect the logic state. A large noise margin means a robust design. This concept is fundamental for creating alternate CMOS inverter that can handle real-world noise. This is about noise margin in VLSI design. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.